Greetings, I'm Justin Furman, the director of the iCons program. I'd like to invite you to participate in a unique educational opportunity at UMass Amherst designed for students motivated by the big challenges we face as a society. Challenges like generating renewable energy, access to clean water, disease, and climate change. The iCons program, which stands for Integrated Concentration in Science, offers a new model for learning inspired by the way we actually develop solutions to real problems. In the real world, it takes a diverse team of individuals who each bring their own expertise and perspective to develop solutions to complex problems. Imagine the progress we can make when a physical scientist and an environmental scientist, a life scientist, an engineer, and a social scientist all work together to build solutions to problems like malaria, harnessing wind energy, warming oceans, and water pollution. In the iCons program, you become the expert members of a diverse team, and it is your combined expertise that allows us to address these big problems from the very first case study. By working together on these grand challenges, students like you gain the knowledge and skills necessary to become the leaders in science and technology, equipped to tackle the big problems of the future. iCons is a 4-course sequence. For most majors, each course in the iCons program fulfills another general education or major requirement, so it does not add to the total number of credits you need to graduate. The first course, Global Challenges, Scientific Solutions, uses case studies drawn from current events to find the role that science and engineering play in assessing and solving global challenges. After the first year, students select a concentration area, either biomedicine or renewable energy, that provides the context for the next 3 courses. In iCons 2, students develop communication skills in writing, speaking, debating, and analyzing the scientific understanding of their concentration. In iCons 3, teams of students design and carry out experiments that deepen our understanding of aspects of their concentration area. The final year of the program is Advanced Scholarly Work, where you will choose a specific problem related to your concentration area and make your personal contribution. As much as I could tell you about the iCons program, it might be better to hear from some of our students themselves about the experiences they have had.
iCons definitely has improved my ability to be a critical thinker.
It's not so much a population problem, it's a consumption problem.
You're still going to have disease no matter what you do.
It's powerful, I think, for us as undergraduates to be able to take responsibility for our own work.
iCons, which stands for Integrated Concentration in Science, is the icing on the cake for students who are majoring in engineering and science. It's a unique program that challenges students to solve problems they care deeply about, like climate change, clean energy, curing cancer.
It's really important that students get involved because we're the future. We're gonna be there solving those problems in a few years.
So because there's input of electricity.
You are coming up with all the content, and you are coming up kind of with any of the final products.
It's like nothing I've ever done before. Everything is student-driven.
I love the mentality of the iCons faculty. I feel like if they want to solve something, they're going to solve it.
Is it an ethical issue? Is it a regulation issue?
They make the classes really interesting, and they bring up good case studies for us to, and relevant case studies for us to focus on.
So that's the first question, is we try to dig into the data.
Understanding the fundamental concepts is, kind of what you learn in these lectures. When you're in iCons, you're applying that, and at the same time, you're learning how to look at things in the way a scientist would look at it.
We care so much about the topics that we choose to do that we put our 110, 120% in, and you can see that in all the projects that come out of it.
When, I'm in a group with 3 other students or 4 other students who have a totally different major, a totally different background. They bring new ideas that I've never heard before. They bring different opinions and different skill sets.
iCons fosters a more expansive way of thinking about problems.
In that it's interdisciplinary, you have that even greater teamwork.
The group learning is much more helpful than just being lectured at.
You develop that self-confidence because you need to have that in order to contribute.
iCons students learn how to apply their knowledge while gaining powerful skills in communication, leadership, and teamwork.
The type of training that's happening here at UMass Amherst in the iCons program is absolutely necessary for the workforce of the future.
I'm a much better team player now.
You need to have an interdisciplinary approach to solving a problem.
It's just a different way of learning, and I really enjoyed that we got to produce something.
I definitely feel like iCons has made me a better scientist.
I believe that iCons students are going to move on to become leaders. We're going to see them. We're going to see them doing great things.
If this program is interesting to you, please save the date for the Fall Integrative Science Workshop on Thursday, November 9, presented by Dr. Jonathan Thon. Jonathan is a widely acclaimed scientist and entrepreneur who founded Platelet Biogenesis, confronting an unmet clinical need for rapid platelet generation. Come prepared to participate in an active workshop where you will be asked to consider your role in solving similar problems. Finally, a few dates to remember. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have either through email or at one of the 2 information sessions scheduled. You can also find any information you need, as well as the application, on our website, which is shown here. Importantly, applications to the iCons program are due on October 10th, and the next cohort will be selected in time for you to register for iCons 1 next spring. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to meeting you soon.